Big Sister is from Bioshock 2 and wears a scuba diver-like suit. Every once in a while, I've updated her using new cosplay techniques that I pick up through time. I'd like to give you a behind-the-scenes look of my most recent update of Big Sister. I start by putting on makeup for when my armor is off, adding scars, bruises, dark eyes, and gashes. I wear white long johns and a cut pair of tight brown cargo pants. For the helmet, I started with a blow-up beach ball that was a little larger than my head size. I put 3 layers of fiberglass strips over the beach ball, then cut a proportioned hole in the front of the sphere. Big Sister was one of my earlier cosplays, so some parts of her I made from around-the-house items. The ring around the face mask is made of a foam flower ring, used for flower decor. The plastic middle is a CD container lid, equipped with LEDs. On the inside of the helmet, my father and I have rigged LEDs, a fan hookup located on top of the helmet, a mic, and a camera hookup with goggles. Her chest plate was made by placing towels over my upper body and using fiberglass strips once again to shape the plate. Her shoulder armor is made from knee pads and her arms from shin pads. We have several accessories tied to her arms, including her Eve collector, Adam, and Eve storage, which we use flashing lights found at the dollar store. Big Sister's corset was handmade from a leather-like substitute and tied in the back using leather strings. All of the belts were found at thrift shops and Goodwills. Big Sister's legs are cut out of a horse barrel and made movable by nuts and bolts. Her little sister cage was also made from strips of horse barrel, and the tank was actually fiberglassed from a real tank. The handle on the top was also made from a foam flower circle. The bottom of her oxygen tank is open, allowing one to reach inside and turn on a sound device that plays music from Bioshock 2 and noises of Big Sister that I was able to cut together in an MP3 file. Thank you for watching this episode of Floodlight.
survive.